Hello, I'm Miss Grimes. Welcome to Cosmetology. We are a 2-year program where you will learn aspects of cosmetology, for example, nails and skin services, as well as all types of hair services. Our program is reliant on the completion of 1,500 hours. This means that you will be required to attend times that are not included in your regular school day.
Hi, I'm Ms. Kate. I'm a cosmetology instructor here at Prosser. At the end of our program, you will have the opportunity to earn 28 dual credits to Vincennes University towards your associate's degree in cosmetology, along with your state license for cosmetology.
Hi, I'm Ms. Hoddle, another Prosser instructor, and you will be participating in Job Shadow, and that will help you get your hours, and you will also be working on the salon floor as well to get real life experience. Thank you so much for your interest in our program, and we will be seeing you next year.